Okay, we wanted to quickly demonstrate a couple of new features we've added to the database features of the Digit Management System. So here in the browser, we go to the Database tab. You'll see we have a couple of tables here. This one has 250,000 rows and 6 columns. We've created a couple of queries here. The first one shows just the name, address, city, and state. So if I double click on that, you'll see all 250,000 rows, but just 4 of the columns. The other one just has the name and emails, and it's filtered by people whose names start with the letter A. So here we have our 2 result sets, so we can switch back and forth between them. Now we want to create some new columns here. So for example, here on the state, we want to transform the column. In this case, we want to truncate to just one letter the state abbreviation. We want to create a new column, call it state 1 letter. So if we click the OK, you'll see that every state was truncated and put the first letter over in the new column. So if we want to see the values here on the states, you'll see, oh, Alaska had 9,000, New Jersey had 5,000, etc. Here on the state letter, where they've been truncated, you see the letter N is in there. All the New Yorks, New Jerseys, Nebraskas, etc. were truncated and combined here under the letter N. The next feature, let's create a new column and copy data based off of some address information. So for example, let's come here and add a column. In this case, we want to say people with gov emails. And we want to copy the names where the email addresses ends with the .gov. So now we have the people whose, again, this result set only has people whose names start with the letter A, but here now we have people, anybody who had a .gov email address now finds their name over in this new column. We can transform based off of specific conditions too. In this case, we want to uppercase maybe the email. So we want to create a column called upper email. But again, we only want to do that transformation if their email starts with the letter G, for example. And if it doesn't start with the letter G, we want to replace it with maybe a no G value. So here, everybody's email started with a G. It transferred over in the upper email. It uppercased it. And if it didn't start with G, they got the no G value. Again, if we see here, most of them had 20,000 out of the 21 did not start with G, so they have the no G replacement value, but all the others are here. So that's a couple quick ways to create new columns based on existing columns. You can transform the data as you're doing it, or just simply create a new one and copy data conditionally over.